This is number 2 in the Essential Elements book. It's pizzicato, which means to use your finger. Now, I'll try to remind you before each of the pizzicato etudes, but your thumb should be on the side of the fingerboard to keep your hand stable. It does not go under, it goes on the side. And it goes about halfway between the top of the cello right here and the bottom of the fingerboard, which looks like about right there. All right, so this is number 2. Let's play open D. Now, when you're not using this hand, which we are not, you can put it on your leg or you can rest it up here on the shoulder of the instrument. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. 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 Now pizzicatos, you can use this finger or you can use your second finger. 1,